Namaste, welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the finding equivalent fractions by multiplications and division. Okay, let's do practice 3. Find the first 4 equivalent fractions by multiplication. So, first 4 multiplication. So, I will skip 1. Okay, if you do 1, you will get the same answer. Okay, 1 by 5 only you will get. First one, 1 by 5. How to do that? Equivalent fractions. First 4 equivalent fractions. 1 by 5 into 2 by 2. 2 ones are 2. 5 twos are 10. Okay. Next, 1 by 5 into 3 by 3. So remember how to do this. If it is a division or if it is a multiplication, to find out the equivalent fractions, denominator and denominator should be same. Okay. So if you take here 2, then you have to take the denominator 2 also. If you take the denominator 3, the numerator also should be 3. Okay, the same number you have to take. So now we have to find the first 4 numbers. (15). 5 into 4 by 4. 20. 1 by 5 into 5 by 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, our 4 equivalent fraction finished. Okay, and the same way you have to do another one. 2 by 3. Second, 2 by 3. How to do that? 2 by 3. Same, first 4. You can do like this also, but you will get the same answer. That's why I did 2 by 2. Okay, so first 4, 1 by 1. You can do like this also. 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4. That is the first 4 fractions. But if you take 1 by 1, the answer is same, 2 by 3 only. That's why I am taking 2 by 2. Okay, into 2 by 2. 2 by 3 into 3 by 3. 2 by 3 into 4 by 4. 2 by 3 into understood? This is how we have to do. Next, see 3 by 4. 3 by 4. 3 by 4 into 3 by 4 into 3 by 3. 9 by 12. 3 by 4 into 4 by 4. 12. 4 fours are 16. 3 by 4 into 5 by 5. 15. 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. So first 4 is finished. Understood? Next, D. 3 by 5. 3 by 5 into 2 by 2. 3 by 5 into 3 by 3. 3 by 5 into 4 by 4. 3 by 5 into 5 by 5. 15 by 20. Understood? Next, find any two equivalent fractions by division. Second one, 9 by 18. Any two division. First we have to see whether this number is divided by 2. So remember, this should be numerator and denominator should be same. First we have to think these numbers are divisible by 2. Is it divisible by 2? 9 by 18. So 9 is not divisible by 2. So we can't take 2. So next comes to 3. 3, yes, 3 is divisible by both, right? So we have to 3 by 3. What's the answer? We have to divide this, okay? So 3 by 6. So we have to find out 2. We find out only 1. Again, another one. 9 by 18 divided by. Next comes to 4. Is it divisible by 4? 9 is divisible by 4? No. 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 2s are 10. No. 6. No. 7. 7 2s are 14. No. 8. No. Next, finally, 9. Yes. 9 by 9. So 9, 1 by 2. Understood? Like this. Like this, you have to find out the equivalent fractions by division. So first we have to see whether these are divided by 2. From 2 itself we have to start. Okay. Next, B, 4 divided by 16. 4 divided by 16. Is it divisible by 2? Yes, it is divisible by 2. Right? Next we want 2, right? So 3. No, 3 is not divided by, not divisible. Next 4. Yeah, 4 is 4 by 4. So answer is 1 by 4. Understood? Next, C, 12 by 18. See, 12 by 18. So, is this divisible by 2? Yes. 6 by 9. Understood? So 12 divided by 18 is divisible by 3. So 4 by 6. 3 divided by 12. We have to divide this. Okay. Next comes to D. 20 divided by 30. 20 divided by 30. 10 divided by 10. 2 divided by 3. Answer. Okay. Next 20 divided by 30, 5 also. Okay. Next comes to fill in the blanks to make the fractions equivalent. So 1 divided by 3 is equal to dash divided by 6. So first we have to multiply this 3. 3 is 3 2s are 6, right? So answer is 2. Okay. Next multiply this 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 3, right? Answer is 3. Okay. Next multiply this 4 4s are 16, right? So answer is 4. Multiply this 3 7s are 21. Next 7 3s are. Next 2 3s are. 2 3s are 6. 5 3s are 15. Okay. Next 2 into 10. So 10 we have to get, right? 2 5s are 10, right? Divide this. 3 5s are 15. Okay. 4 9s are 4 9s are 36. 9 9s are 81. Okay. First we have to multiply this. 4 9s are 30. For multiplication we have to get the answer this 36. Okay. So in the same way 4 9 9s are. So same. Denominator and numerator should be same, right? So answer is 81. Understood? This is how we have to do. Next, put a tick on the fractions that are in their lowest terms. Reduce the others to their lowest terms. So what are their lowest terms? 5 by 8, 1 by 6. Then we have to make it a lowest. Okay. How to do? 4 by 12, first one. 4 divided by 12. We can take 2 also, no problem. If we take 2, see, 2 by 6. Then we have to divide this 2 by 2. Okay. Because we have to get a lowest form. Okay. So answer is 1 by 3. Okay. Or else you can do like this also. 4 by 12 divided by 4 by 4. 1 by 3. Okay. Anything you can do. But we have to get lowest. Okay. Next. C. 10 by 50. Divided by 10. 1 by 5. Next, D, 12 by 18. 12 by 18. Six. 2 by 3. Okay. Next, F, 14 by 35. 14 divided by 35. 7. Okay. G, 24 divided by 30. 24 by 30. You can think more. You will think larger number, then you will get a smaller lowest form. Okay, if you think 2 into, you can do, but you have to do again and again. Okay, so 6. Okay, 4 by 5. Next, H, 36 45 divided by 6 by 6. Next, you can divide this to 3 by 3. So answer 2 by 3. Okay. Next, I, 33 by 66. 11. Okay. 3 by 6. 3 by 6. 3. 1 by 2. Answer is 1 by 2. Next, G, 27 36. 27 36. 9. 3 by 4. Understood? This is how we have to find out the equivalent fractions. Tomorrow we will see like and unlike fractions. Okay? Thank you.